Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. 3. Like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4. Subscribe. Alright, thank you for all your support. Thank you for always watching this channel. And our lesson for today is about how to find the slope of the line. And this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. Okay, our objectives is 1. Illustrate the line or the slope of a line. 3. Find the slope of a line given points, equation, and okay, so below are the equations that use the variables x, where x is any real number. Okay, so here we have y is equals to x, and we have y is equals to 2x, and y is equals to 1 half x plus 1. So for the each equation, make a table to find the coordinates of 3 points. Okay, so here coordinates of 3 points, so we can ask here, no, so for example in this area, so we have 1, we can add, no, so if your 0 is 1, therefore if your x is 1, therefore y is equals to 1. Okay. So we can have 1 1. Okay, now here also, if like this, we have 1, then 2 times 1 is equals to 2, so therefore 1 2 is the equation. Okay, so for example, your 2 is x, therefore 2 times 2 is equals to 4, so y is equals to 4. Therefore your ordered pairs is 2 and 4. Okay, then if we are going to use 2 here, so for example we add 3 as x, so we can have 1 half of 3 is equals to 1.5, or 1 and 1 half is, that is 2 and 1 half, because we added 1. So that means our ordered pair will be 3 and 2 and 1 half. Okay, so that's it. Now if we are going to graph this, okay, so on the next page, okay, so we need to graph its equation on the xy line. So from the previous page that we have, so we got 0 0 as the so we can use here, so we have the origin here, so 0 0 is our, you know, so that means if we are going to put a line here, no? Okay, so for example, if we are going to take the slope of this line here, no? So we have point here, and we can also have a point here. Okay, so so this is for y is equals to x. Okay, so if you're going to get the 2 points, these 2 points here, that is 1, no, so the slope m, okay, that is equals to rise over run. Okay, so we can see here that we have one unit, so one over one, so the rise is one, and the okay, so this is the rise and this is the run, no? So we have one, so that's equals to one, so that means the slope is one. Now if we are going to get the second, which is uh the second equation is about, okay, so we can use this part here, and this will be our origin. So for example, we have another one. Okay, so for example, for y is equals to 2x. So y is equals to 2x, no? If we are going to put 1 as the value of x, so 2 times 1, we could have the point 1, 1, and 2. Okay, now we're supposed to put 1 into this time. Okay, so that means 1 for x and 2 for, okay, so if we're going to put that here, now we can connect the lines. Okay, now if we are going to get the slope of this, so we have 1, yeah, we have here 1 and 2. So actually 1 and 2, so x is, we have here 1, the run, and the rise is 2. So if we're going to get the slope, that is 2 over 1, because it's rise over 1 or 2. The slope is 2. So look at this one. Sorry. It's like this. We need to put a straight line, but my hand is white, not capable. So just please understand. Okay, so as long as we have this one, no, it should be a straight line. Okay. Okay, so in a line, no, I just forget to tell you, but you have to put an arrow because line is standing. Okay, so the slope here is 2. So it's easy to find the slope, no, if you have certain. For example, your slope is like this here, like in the third, we have, if you're going to put your line like this, no, okay, so just looking at it, so we have here point here, and if you are going to get the slope, no, we have here, okay, so it's a big, okay, here, no, so like that, if you have that, if you have seen like this, okay, we have the slope is, so we can have m is equals to, our rise is 1, 2, 3, so 3 over, our run is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. So that's 3, 6 or 1 half. Okay, so it's important that you need to write your answer in the lowest term. Okay. All right, so still remember that the slope m of a line is the ratio of the chains in y coordinates to the corresponding chains in x coordinate. Okay, so if we're going to get here the slope again, so we have here, we have 2 points here. Okay, so the slope is like here. So we have the run and we have the rise. Okay, so it's not straight again, but like this. Okay, so for m is equals to, ang rise we have 1, 2, 3, so we have 3 units, and for the run 1, 2, 3, 4, so 3/4. On the other side, so we have here, if you are looking for the slope of this, okay, so it's here. Okay, so we have, okay, so it could be in a different direction. No? So for the second slope, we have m is equals to, there are 1, 2, 3, so negative 3. That's negative 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That's negative 4, or still 3/4. Okay, so that's how you are going to read the slope if you have given a, what do you call this one? This is what we call a graph. Okay, next. So now determining slope. So if the slope coordinates of 2 points on a line are x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2 and x sub 2, the slope m can be found as follows. So here we are going to use a formula which is m is equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, you can use also the opposite. You can use also x sub 1 and x sub 2 minus x sub 1 minus x sub 2. But most commonly we use this part. So this is your x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So we have here, for y sub 2, we have 6 minus 1 over 4 minus negative 2. Okay, so we have 5 over 6. Okay, and then for the other one, so you can compute directly. So for y sub 2, so we have 5 minus 5 over 2 minus negative 1. So we have 5 minus 5 is 0 over 3, or that is equals to 0. So you have 0 slope. Okay. Okay, so we will do this faster as we can, but if not, we will just continue this in our room and all in the next video. Okay, so we will do it in the next video. And clarifications, please leave your comment. And remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Bye, everyone. Love you all. Thank you. My Organic Barcadas, Team Solid Family, Whiteys International, Team Pudis, and my students, Connection, Cooperation, and Creativity. Love you all. Bye.